In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw XRP from Nexo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Nexo's dashboard, scroll down, and then under Assets, you want to find your XRP. I have a little bit of XRP here, so I can show you how to do this. And you want to click on the transfer button and then withdraw. Now, when you do that here, make sure XRP is selected, and then you will need your destination, destination. So click on here and select external wallet. And network, make sure it's Ripple, because we are, of course, doing it via the Ripple XRP network. And then here you want to do new address and paste in the address. Now, since we are sending from Nexo wallet to another wallet, that another wallet where we're sending to is receiving. So we need the receiving address. So you can go to any wallet where actually XRP is, of course, supported. I'm going to use Trust Wallet over here because I know XRP is supported on here, but of course you can use whichever one you want. It's up to you. I'm going to click on Fund over here. Usually it says Fund or Receive or something along those lines. Click on that. And then here I'm going to do Receive from another wallet, and I'm going to do XRP. There we go, and I'm going to copy this address. Here, I'm going to paste it in, and then here, of course, you can select the amount. I don't think I have enough to actually withdraw, but still, yeah, as you can see, 5 XRP is the minimum here, so if I had 5 XRP, I'd be able to put that in over here, like this, for example, and then I'd be able to put in the destination tag in case that's required. It's going to tell you inside the wallet you're withdrawing to in case you need to do a tag. For me, it's not needed, I think. And then here at the bottom, you'll be able to see a bunch of different information like this, like the important notes, and then there's going to be a withdraw button. Now, because I don't have enough XRP on here, I can't click the withdraw button, but that's literally all you have to do, and then of course confirm it, and that's going to go ahead and send and withdraw your XRP from Nexo to your external wallet. Now, what's also very important here is that this usually isn't instant. It takes a few minutes to arrive, and then there you go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.